What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Omar from RCHobbiesPR, and in this video we're visiting an RC park. In this RC park we have many areas, including areas for crawling. There is also areas for like buggies and short course trucks. There's also a circuit back there. Today I'm gonna be using the axial SCX24 Jeep Gladiator and also the axial SCX24 Deadbolt, and we're gonna be crawling in the crawling course. This course is pretty big and it's mostly for bigger crawlers, but even though I'm gonna try to do it with the SCX24 to see how they perform here. So now we're gonna go that area. There's where we're gonna be crawling here. This is basically the area that we're gonna be crawling today. This is a huge park that covers, there's my wife. She's gonna be with me with the other SCX24. So all this area is part of the crawling park. It covers all the area, all the way there, including this area. And there's also another area down there with kind of like a creek that you can also go with your crawler. This is the circuit area, and there's the short course and buggies course. Also back there, let me see if I can zoom in. There's a drag area too. So here's where we're gonna start. We're gonna do some checkpoints so I can wait for my wife. Let's get started. Okay, let's go through this area. It looks kind of risky for the SCX24, and I do like to take some risks. So let's go. Checkpoint number 1. Now your turn. So now it's my wife's turn. The Jeep Gladiator have a little bit of advantage because it is kind of upgraded. You have some weight added on it, so it might be easier for the Jeep Gladiator. Let's see how the Deadbolt works here. Also, this is your first time crawling, right? Not bad at all. Look at that. So I put the Deadbolt on medium speed. Let's see if that works better here.
I'm so bad at this. Oh, baby.
Doing good. You want me to help you a little bit?
Yes, please.
So I'm gonna continue through this area. If I cannot make it because it's pretty, the ground is pretty dry, I will do some zigzags until we can get up there. Let's see. So let's try it again. Yeah, with a little bit more speed, it's a lot easier. Okay, here, let's see. I think here will be better for the SCX24. This is not a really heavy car, because even though it's upgraded, it doesn't have a lot of upgrades. There we go. Oh, you're taking risk too. Too risky, huh?
Woo!
That's awesome.
Ah!
It's too light for it.
Oh, let me see this way, baby.
There you go, awesome. Yeah, but you did it.
Woo!
We're almost there. We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. All right. Go. You can do this. You can do this. There we go. Oh my gosh, ants. That's the bad thing in the outdoors. Oh my god. I think. So try to go up this little hill over here. Let's see. There you go. Awesome. That's awesome. So now it's my wife's turn. You can do this. You can do this. You can put it in high speed if you want, even if it's not working. You're doing it. You're doing it. You can try the hill if you want to.
No, that was super heavy. Maybe the other side?
Exactly, that hill. That's the hill that I was talking about.
Ah!
Try it again. Let's see if the Deadbolt can do it.
Maybe he can do it, but I can't. Not with this
Maybe he
driver.
can, but not you.
No, I can't.
Yeah, try slower. Figured out how to do it. There. Almost there. Almost there. Hey, you can do it faster, faster, faster. Not that fast. One way or the other. That's awesome. Now go downhill. Woo! Awesome.
Woo!
So let's keep going. So this area is pretty steep and the dirt is pretty loose. It's kind of difficult doing it, at least for the SCX24. Maybe an SCX10 or SCX6 will be easier, but at least for this one it's pretty it's not really heavy, and also they have original tires. That might be difficult for this particular RC car. Let's see. No. Yeah, another way. It's very difficult, even with some upgrades that the SCX24 have.
If you can't do it, I'm not gonna be able to do it.
Probably not, but let's keep trying it for a little bit. I will probably need some new tires here. What do you think?
That's the excuse.
No, I will burn the motor.
Now I'm just thinking about the wheels. No!
Let me see if I can do it through this other side.
Yeah.
Same issue here. No, it's digging out the wheels. Nope, you cannot do it. But this SCX24 couldn't do this final part in here because the dirt, it was pretty loose and dry. But we find another area here that I haven't been in. So I think I'm gonna leave it for the next video. Look at this. This is basically in the woods, like crawling in the woods. It should be awesome. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned, because in one of our next videos we're going to be crawling inside this area here, and I know it's going to be super great. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.